verse of the day, Zephaniah 3:70. For the Lord your God is living among you. He is a mighty Savior. He will take delight in you with gladness. With His love, He will claim all your fears. He will rejoice over you with joyful songs. Brothers and sisters, ibig sabihin doon, laging nabubuhay at nananatiling, nandyan siya katabi mo at sinusubaybayan ka upang tulungan ka. Lalo't sa mga kalungkutan at kainaan mo at kinakatakutan mo, nandyan siya, patitibayin ka niya.
Pa-like, pa-share, pa-subscribe. Mang Kepweng at your service. Thank you guys.